Today, practice English shadowing through a curious story.
Listen closely, repeat each line, and enjoy what happens.
You'll pick up useful idioms and phrases naturally along the way.
Eva heard a golden clock could reveal life's finest hour.
For months, she had searched every market and alley.
She was always on the lookout for secret clues.
One rainy evening, a clockmaker waved from a crooked doorway.
You look tired. The rain is getting worse.
Eva nearly refused, but changed her mind.
Inside, hundreds of clocks ticked like impatient insects.
I'm searching for the golden clock, Eva told him.
The clockmaker smiled. So is half the city.
Then he handed her a tiny brass map.
Follow it, but don't get carried away.
Eva rushed outside and crossed the road toward Moonbridge.
There, a musician dropped his hat into the river.
Eva stopped to lend a hand.
Together, they caught it with a broken fishing pole.
The musician laughed and gave Eva a warm pastry.
She ate while walking, trying to stay on track.
The map led her into a lantern-filled night market.
A fruit seller shouted, "You're barking up the wrong tree."
He pointed toward a narrow staircase behind his stall.
Eva took a chance and climbed into darkness.
At the top, a black cat blocked the doorway.
Eva waited, sharing pastry crumbs with the stubborn cat.
The cat finally stretched, yawned, and stepped aside.
In no time, Eva spotted a small silver key.
Out of the blue, fireworks lit the rooftops.
Eva froze, then laughed as sparks filled the sky.
She decided to make the most of it.
She watched until the final golden spark disappeared.
The key opened a tower door beside the market.
The stairs kept moving, so Eva went with the flow.
At the last minute, she grabbed a swinging rope.
It lifted her into a round room above the city.
The golden clock waited alone beneath a glass cover.
Finally, Eva whispered, this had better be worth the wait.
She wound the clock, expecting some grand vision.
Instead, it replayed the evening she had just lived.
The rescued hat, warm pastry, cat, and fireworks returned.
Eva suddenly put two and two together.
The clock had shown nothing new at all.
Its finest hour had been right under her nose.
Eva laughed, tucked away the map, and walked home slowly.
Eva found more than she expected from one strange evening.
You also heard useful idioms and phrases inside the story.
Shadow it again, listening closely to how each phrase sounds.
Repeat the lines aloud and copy the natural rhythm.
Keep practicing and let the story make English feel easier.